Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of Ashoka, I would like to welcome you all to this event. We are extremely privileged to partner with the Dalmia Group and with Singularity to showcase ideas and projects which are at the cutting edge of innovation and technology and which can impact billions of people. As Emilyn mentioned and as Priyank mentioned, Singularity is really about transforming lives of people. I think so is Ashoka. Singularity is about global impact. So is Ashoka. Singularity is about nurturing change agents who will deal with humankind's big challenges of the 21st century, whether it's education, health, food, environment, poverty, security, and water. And so does Ashoka. A Young India Fellowship, which is now in its fourth year, has graduated more than 250 fellows till now. And most of them work in organizations and have had tremendous impact. We have fellows working in the remote corners of Bihar. We in fact have a group which is working to transform a school which teaches the children of the Musahar community. This is the rat-eating community of Bihar. This group has had tremendous impact. We have another group of fellows who are working on the idea of creating low-cost medical devices for rural India. We have fellows working in the government of Haryana in the education department. We have fellows working with various MPs in their constituencies to bring change. In fact, I'm proud to share that out of the 8 finalists today, 2 were alumni of Ashoka University and 1 is currently studying at Ashoka. And I can promise you there was no bias in judgment. So some of us can really question what is innovation and technology doing in a liberal arts university. Priyank already answered that question by putting up the Steve Jobs slide, and that happens to be my favorite slide as well. Both our universities, I think, are at the cutting edge of transformation and global impact, and we are truly proud of this partnership. This partnership is also symbolic of Ashoka's commitment to bring the best in class for our students. Ashoka University is itself an example of innovation and transformation in higher education in India. We hope that Ashoka University will not be an isolated experiment. We hope that it's not going to be an isolated institution, but it will inspire a whole generation of institutions in India. We really want to have a multiplier effect on higher education in India and transform higher education in India. That's what we stand for. That's why some of us came together to set up Ashoka University. Ashoka is also set up by a group of entrepreneurs, so entrepreneurship is really at the core. Ideas that come out of these competitions are really close to our heart. We look forward to nurturing these ideas. We also firmly believe that solution to India's social challenges are rooted in an approach that blends an understanding of social sciences, humanities, and technology. Smart cities, the idea of today's competition, is an example where the smartest ideas demand a liberal arts approach rooted in multidisciplinary thinking, innovation, and critical thinking to harness the best that technology has to offer. I would like to thank Singularity again and thanks Emily for flying down specially. We truly value your partnership. I really want to thank the Dalmia Bharat Group for supporting the initiative, and especially Mr. Puneet Dalmia for his commitment and support, not only to Ashoka University, of which he's a founder, but also to this competition. Thanks, Puneet, and we truly value you for who you are and what you mean to us. This initiative is the first large-scale initiative for our Center for Entrepreneurship. The Center for Entrepreneurship is one of the centers of excellence that we've set up at Ashoka, and there are multiple such centers. The Center for Entrepreneurship at Ashoka is also probably one of the first instances where a center of this kind is housed in a liberal arts university. Normally, centers of entrepreneurship are there either in business schools or sometimes in engineering colleges, but probably the first time where a center of this kind is housed in a liberal arts university. This again stems from our belief and commitment that entrepreneurship and innovation are at the root of impact and change. Ashoka University students from the Young India Fellowship have had a rich culture of becoming entrepreneurs. The center will provide access to our students to a wider ecosystem by partnering with other institutions, both in India and abroad. The center also runs a minor in entrepreneurship, and we also run a very strong mentoring program for all our students. In fact, out of the 8 finalists today, 1 will get an opportunity to go to Singularity, but all the other ideas are going to be mentored by Ashoka University. I would like to thank Priyank. Priyank has really done a great job of putting the center together and a great job of conducting this event, and his team of Young India Fellows and our undergrad student body. I would like to thank Singularity and the Dalmia Group again. Let's wait to see who the final award winner is. And I personally want to share that the 2 hours that we spent today on the jury was extremely enriching for me. And some of us were discussing in the jury panel upstairs that I think some of the greatest ideas today come from the next generation of students who are studying at Ashoka and similar other institutions. All the best to all of you, and look forward to working with some of the teams on the mentoring program. Thank you.